All right. So you have a Lady V, right? We all know Lady V. Everybody know Lady V, right? And you also have head teacher K. She recently come on the scene. She kind of new, right? All right. These two women, they're very, very intelligent ladies, highly intelligent. You know, you think that they're sensible. You understand? You think that they're sensible, but they're not so sensible when you think about it. But they're highly intelligent. Lady V, she's motivational speaker. She's a psychologist. Well, I gather she's a psychologist. I don't know if she's not, but me know so she counsel people, right? And that's what she does, right? And then you have Headteacherkay. She's from the UK, you know, and she's a teacher, right? And I think she have her own business or something. I'm not sure. No. These highly intelligent women, right? They're throwing words at each other, right? I listened to Lady V, and well, Lady V did a live the other day when she was talking about the charities, and you know, my clap, because I said, well done, very informative. Like you depart knowledge onto me that I didn't know of. You understand? I didn't know of. You know, me do my local research as well, and yeah, you were spot on for me. I think you were spot on, and for a lot of people, you know, you opened their eyes to a lot of things, and you know, you depart knowledge onto, you know, the public, right? Fine. I thought that everything was good, but then you have Headteacherkay now. She know she went against Lady V and say what she has say. Some of the things that what she has say is not facts. And you know, apparently the Headteacherkay, you know, when she come, you know, she come with, you know, fact, you know, like she source her information. Them, you know, she show you say, you know, these are coming from reputable sources. You understand? She pull up her computer and she show this and she, you know, and she read this and whatever, right? Fine, that's nice. If you want to prove to the public, say, you know what, you know, there's evidence here to back up what I'm saying, that's wonderful, right? Because then we're gonna learn, say, yeah, the information is actually factual. You understand what I'm saying? Good. That's a fair thing. You know, she come on the scene and she challenged people, but you know how she challenged people? She challenged people in a very disrespectful manner. And that's one thing I don't like with HTK. I don't like that with her, and that's why I don't really watch her. So sometimes I can't really tell you what she do over there talk about sometimes, because because she started off very disrespectful. She called people out of their name, right? And that's not nice. If you are going to do a rebuttal, or if you are going to review somebody's content, or you know, me I do a video now and you're going to review it, or you're going to say XYZ, you know, deal with me with respect, because that wasn't this. And first, you know, I've never even spoken about her before, never. You understand? There was no reason to be honest, you know, but she talks about me all the time, and I get it, fine. I am a blogger, I'm a come out and me always say some things, and I get it, it's fine, you know, and I'm used to that. But she would be very disrespectful. I noticed it a long time ago, I noticed, but what, you know me, like you diss me, I'm not going to say anything. What's the point of that? You know, people say all kind of things to me, so that's the least. So, you know, now, she went, you know, she kind of challenged Lady V, and she was disrespectful in her delivery. You are addressing the lady, and you address the lady as the lady with the alphabet. That's rude. And for a teacher, you know, who's from the UK and we're big on respect, you understand? Trust me, British people, they're big on respect. So I'm very surprised that for you as a teacher would come out and address, you know, another female, you know, outside of them name, as well, Lady V would have said pseudonyms, right? And I'm just being honest, man, I depend on them side, come here, none of them are a friend. But the truth is the truth. You understand what I'm saying? You can't come and, you know, you describe me based on how me look and said that the one they over this and that the one I don't address people like that. If I'm going to speak about you, I'm going to speak about you, and that's how you gain respect from others. You understand what I'm saying? And then when you say certain things and address people a certain manner, you give them labels and you give them names, you know, not so nice names. You encourage people in your comment section to do the same. And that's never a good thing, right? When HTK came on the scene, I was like, wow, this is a breath of fresh air. You know, she's intelligent. You know, she's from the UK. Like, yeah, we're going to beat them in a social media. That's what I was thinking. You know what I mean? Because, you know, she's very intelligent. She's quite knowledgeable. You know, she's well spoken. That is a fact. We can't take that away from her. None at all. It is the truth. Right? But when we see she start behave certain way and start a certain way and go on a certain way, we are all different anyways. She is the way she is. But I'm just saying, I was so disappointed because I'm like, there's no need for the disrespect. Right? We're all women. And sometimes, yeah, you know, sometimes somebody, you know, ruffle with feathers and we might come out and say one and two little things. But I'm just saying, when you come on to certain people, when you come out and you give me, say, okay, you're a professional person or something, and me see I go on a certain way, I'm like, okay then. Is that how you are? Okay. You understand? Because I can sit down and listen to a content, somebody, you know, talking. You know, I want to enjoy your content. But the moment you start to some things, and you start describe them and how that the one they over there and that the one, you know what I mean? And I'm like, what for? You don't have to do that. Because truth to be told, Lady V never trouble. I'm going to tell you something. Lady V is the type of person, you know, she not trouble people. She not trouble people. You have to go for your full roast for she shit by you. She not trouble people. She just come out and she do her video. You understand? That is just the truth. We never expect a Lady V is how she is because of how she did come out. I may say that all the time. Me never expect that she was like that. Me never know that she could have carry on like that. I was disappointed. I don't know that me talk about that already. I was very disappointed in how she handled certain things. And even now, I am very disappointed if you know, say, you're so thin-skinned. Look how long me know, say, this woman there call me names. I refer to me, you know, outside of my name sometime. Look how long. And I never bat an eyelid. Me just stop watch her now and again, you know, me scroll through and me see her page or whatever. Sometimes, you know, me I pass through, me maybe listen a little bit and then, you know, me leave. You understand? I may just leave because I don't like certain things. Me can sit down and listen, learn, you know, try to say me can learn something, but I don't like disrespect. And that's something where she do all the time. You understand what I'm saying? And I don't think that's right. And Lady V not trouble people like that. As me say, you have to go and fear a roost. You know, fish shit on you. You have to really and truly trouble her. Fish should come out and tell you her mind. Right? And I've been on the receiving end, which I never even come out and I never, because you know, me don't do the back and forth. But I have been on the receiving end. And that's because I've said something that has rubbed her the wrong way. And she come out and she says, what she say, me not have her up. She might think that me have her up. But me not have her up. You understand what I'm saying? So when you mash her can, she will come out and she will say one and two things. Because to me realize, say, and not everybody can bite their tongue. And not everybody can just turn a blind eye like me just not care. You understand? Me not care. She's not one of them somebody there. Me realize that she's not. She's like she put on the professional and she put on the Christian side of her and she put on everything and she'll come at you. You understand? I might not like it, but who am I? Me and not she and not me, right? And though I might not agree with certain people delivery, enough people that I agree with my delivery. And I respect that because sometimes it is true. My delivery is not always nice. Right? I may know this because people comment on it. And it's something that I want to work on. You understand? Alright. No. This is the part where I know so women not gonna like me for. Let me tell you something. Miss Donna, you can't create a problem. Right? You can't create a problem and then you hide a hand and you and run away. You understand? You are creating a problem amongst us, the bloggers. And then when we are back and forth at each other, you come out and say, me no know what them a call me name for, or you turn a blind eye, or you not care. But you cause the problem. You are the one who is causing the problem and the divide amongst us. You understand what I say? You are the one who come out and you highlight we. And you big we up. All the people them were, hey, some people where you highlight, me would have never ever highlight them in a million years. Not because them are right for me, but me I think well morally. You understand? What are they doing? What are they saying? How are they behaving? So I'm not going to highlight you. No matter, not because you are riding for me, you know. Me not go You understand? So you breed we up. You breed we up. And then when one of we disagree with the other one, right? And then we kind of split and sides are being taken now, then we are back and forth with each other. You understand? And then whosoever come out and defend you the most, you understand? You put them up. Right? You put them up. Now, when you highlight them and you put them on your page, which is what you did with Headteacherkay, and that is fine. You can do anything that you want. You understand what I'm saying? Because I know say if somebody have a business, you like to promote them or whatever. But aside from that, you also promote a lot of bloggers, right? And them come with pure contention. Pure contention and problem. Some of them will cause the most problem. And you know what you're doing, but still you continue doing this now. And that's why I say, look at this. Two professional people, yeah? And look how not fall in a trap and not realize. Because the fact that this, you can see this, look a feud brewing. And Headteacherkay review, Lady V, what Lady V said about the charity. And Miss Donna preferred what Headteacherkay over what Lady V said, because maybe that look like so what Lady said was saying about the charity, like Miss Donna agree with that, or sit well with her, or maybe she feel like say it goes for her or something like that. So she posted about what Headteacherkay say about the charity, right? Now when you do that now, Headteacherkay, right, of course her following will go up. A lot of people will go over there and follow her. So because of that, she's going to feel like she has to be loyal to you, right? She's grateful, because we know so when it comes down to following, views and whatever, it generates an income and it can change your life. You understand? It improve things. It contribute to something. Even if it's a bill, it contribute to it. So she's going to be grateful. She's going to be thankful. So therefore, she's going to always want to be in your corner, even when she knows that maybe you do something where no 100, no right or whatever, It's like she going to feel the need for come out and try to find ways of having to defend you or to make you look nice. She's going to try to find these ways, right? And solutions, or make people look on certain things in a different way. You understand what I'm saying? Because maybe deep down she not gonna maybe want to come out straight. Because one day me a pass through, I remember something, right? And instead of she just say, yes, this was wrong, she went around and she said this, even though she said yes, she find other to fix it up and polish it and make it look good. Right? It is just the truth. Because when somebody like Miss Donna highlights you, right? You feel so good. The masses are going to follow you. The masses are going to love you. The masses are going to, you are not going to want to go against them, because so them come with a large following. And you are indoctrinated in the family. It's just the truth. Me not depend on side and me can't talk. You don't want to hear it, but the truth. And Miss Donna breed you up, and then when we start fight and bicker amongst one another, she pull herself out and say, me no want to no call me name, and me and nobody and a friend in a phone. Then she and the people in my friend in the phone. You understand? She big them up, she tell them, jeez. And then them come out and fight for her. So right this now, where she do this, where she do this right this now. She kind of cause problem with these two professional people, a psychologist and a teacher. You understand? But at them now have to be smart and realize that, you know what, we're big people, we're grown, we're intelligent people. We don't need to do this with each other. I don't have to put you down. I don't have to call you out of your name for me to get my point across, or for me to, disagree with what you're saying. I can say, okay, I hear what you're saying, but let me just clarify something and let me just add something to what you're saying. But I don't need to be disrespectful. I don't have to call you, the lady with the alphabet, because me, as I said before, Lady V, somebody will cuss me and tell me off and tell me her mind, and people cuss me for her and curse me for her. You understand? But I've never called her out of her name. Me call her name. Anybody when me talk, but I call them name because I blog. Me I blog. When you're blogging, you're supposed to can't call the name, you call the person name, because you're not saying anything really bad about the person, right? You're talking about something. You understand? You see them something I want to do on social media, this disrespect. On a post this and throw on a word and call on one another names and I said this and don't do it. Don't let nobody make no stoop to a certain level. Me I beg on the name of Jesus. Stop it. Stop it. Oh, hey, you can't sit down and open on your eyes, no? You can't open on your eyes. That's why when we talk about, you know, recruiting and alliance and sides, you think some don't know what me I talk about? A real thing me I talk about. I want to see it for yourself. You must see it, but you don't want to talk. And some of you don't see it, you just want to be a part of a clan. You don't want to be a part of the group. You understand? You don't want to build nothing. You don't want to get there. Right? I find the whole thing so hilarious. These two intelligent people who should be setting an example for us. We the look one them when not so bright. And only the two are supposed to command the space. There's nothing to compete about. There's nothing to fight about. There's nothing. Nothing at all. Nothing. Do you understand me? I say? Nothing. It is so funny. You know, gone were the days, remember, when people used to say, oh, my bad mind, they deviate for your education. And I'm like, why me with a bad mind? Me have common sense. You understand? And I can think for myself. And I can listen and understand. So you know what, this not sound right, or I disagree with it. It doesn't mean say, okay, I'm smarter than the person or anything. No, it just means say, me think I look on it from a different angle. Right? Me can challenge you. Me no must have to be, you know, well educated. You understand? Somebody not to go out, hey, me meet people, you know, they've never really been to, what I say, them finish like maybe secondary school or something like that. You know, maybe them drop out maybe in a year 7, year 8 or whatever, right? But they have an extensive knowledge. They have good understanding and reasonability. You understand what I'm saying? So you not necessarily have to go to university or have masters or have degree or whatever to challenge somebody. Sometimes your common sense alone can challenge somebody. You ever talk to somebody with street smart? You think say then we come and run circles around you? Because also, right, you don't have to be in university to go to university as I say and have masters, you know, a doctorate or a degree or whatever. Some people read. Some people, they read, they love reading. They read, them watch like educational videos and documentaries and stuff like that, and they get a lot of information. That is what makes people intelligent. Knowledge, them knowing a lot of things. They have, you know, you understand? They're well versed. You understand? So it doesn't mean say, okay, you got a uni and you have masters and degree and doctorate and all of these things to be intelligent. So don't get this thing twisted. Right? Don't get this thing twisted. People tell me I'm intelligent all the time, and it doesn't have nothing to do with school.